Hi, I'm going to show you how you can scrape thousands of leads within a seconds for free. You don't need any strategy, you don't need ChatGPT, you don't need Google, you don't need special software. This works with one Google Chrome extension from OptiLink AI. It's absolutely free, it's available for everybody. So everyone can use, and this works with Yellow Pages. So I'm going to show you how this works. So you can stop paying for leads. If you are paying for leads, a lot of people, I know people that are paying thousands of dollars for leads, just emails or phone numbers. They go to Fiverr, find someone that does lead scraping. I'm going to give it to you all for free. So first of all you have to do is come on to OptiLinkAI.com and then scroll down inside the campaign controls. Find yellow page lead generation. Click on the yellow page lead generation. It's going to take you to the page where you can apply to get to get instant downloading for this Chrome extension. It's instant and everything is going to be available for you. Witness the power of AI link building for free. So here what you have to do is click on the start your free trial and you have to fill the form for authentication. Security check. Use a verified business or personal email. Disposable or placeholder emails will be rejected by our AI firewall. So here I'm going to put in my name to say Abdul, and I'm going to put my email, and here I'm going to put a website from OptiLinkAI.com, and request trial services is going to be yellow page lead generation, and target niche is I'm going to put marketing and say I need leads for my marketing service. That is all I have to do, and the next thing to do is I'm going to hit on the initialize trial and download. Here we have some protocols which we have to read. It says to maintain system integrity, we strictly enforce a single-use verification policy. Alright, by proceeding, you acknowledge that providing false information, using disposable data, or attempting to misuse the automation system will result in an immediate account block and a hardware ID ban. So if you try to misuse these services, you are going to get banned automatically. So here we click on I understand. And now the next thing is the system is going to take us direct to the download page where we can instantly download our page. Here we have your request for the OptiLink AI automated trial call for yellow page Chrome extension has been verified. Your temporary activation key and software package are ready for immediate testing. And we have some instructions here that we can follow. After downloading, extract the downloaded file. Go to extensions in your Chrome. Manage extensions, load, unpack, and select your folder to unzip it. That's all. And you are going to be activated. But one thing you have to consider, here we can see we have password. So we have to copy this password. Without this password, we cannot download this extension. So here we go on and click on download. It prompts us to put in our password. So we can paste in the password and click on submit. I don't want to save it, and now it's automatically downloaded. You can see it here. Here we have key, so I have to make sure that I have this key copied, because without this key I cannot activate it. So I have to go here and then access my folder and unzip it, extract it. Alright, now we have our extracted file here. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is we go back to the Chrome extension. Here we click on Chrome and go to extension. This is extension. It's in a German language. So this is extension. And the next one is manage extension. We are now inside the manage extension. So what we need to do now, click on the unpack. I already have it. Let me remove it so I can follow the instruction step by step. Okay, step in it. Let me refresh my page. Now it's removed. Okay, so go to the unpack and then yellow page, double click on it, app file. Here is nothing, so just leave it like that and click on save. Now it is saved. The next thing to do is on the right hand side, you see this icon. Click on the icon and you can see the yellow page extractor. Click on it. Now it's asking you for key. So we go back here and copy our key. Like I said, we're going to copy the key. Let's do it again. Let's repeat Oh, I clicked the wrong button. Let's repeat the process. Now here I can paste in my key and click on activate. Okay, that is it. Now it's activated. Okay, I can close this and now I can open it. Let me see, click on here and I can open it. So now let me see, I'm going to put in my keyword. Let's say digital marketing is my keyword. And the location is going to be United States, and click on start scraping. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. So that is it all, how you can start scraping thousands of leads, and you are going to see how fast this process is. Okay, let me refresh this page and see. Okay, let me bring this to the side. The cookies, let me close the cookies. Refresh. My internet, I think, is a little bit slow. Okay, so now we have it here. And the only thing I have to, now we have so many leads for digital marketing companies in the United States. So all I have to do now is just click on extract list. Bam, that's it. We have it. Now look at the leads. We have 18 leads in the first page. Now you can export this lead with a CSV file. That's it all. There is all you have to do to get thousands of leads using OptiLink AI for free. Let me close it. We can change the keyword. All we have to do is just go here, wait a minute, access our, and let me say United Kingdom. You can put any city that you want and get your leads. What is happening? Let me see. Okay. Let me see SEO, United States, start scraping. Okay. And the next thing to do is just click on extract leads. We have 30 leads. And click on download. You can see it's been downloaded as a CSV file. So OptiLink AI gives you the possibility to do a lot of things for free. So when we go to OptiLink AI to the homepage, we can see there are so many things that you can use. Here we have instant indexing, which you can use to index your pages, your URLs instantly. Let's say you are creating blog articles, or you have your business creating so many pages that are not being discovered. You can use the instant indexing to instantly index all your URLs. And you have a lot of pro plugins and pro themes, which a lot of people have access to these plugins and themes. Only if you are a member or a subscriber, you have access to this, and you can download them. If I click on it, you can see we have so many plugins which is currently being updated. You have to request for it and get the link to open it. So I click on the free trial. Let me see plugins. Okay, so look here. We have Smash Pro, Schema, VP Rocket, Yoast, Updrafts. All of these are immediately available for download, the Pro version. And then you can also access the themes which are currently being updated. You can also download the Pro version instantly. So OptiLink AI has a lot of possibility and a lot of features for you. Visit OptiLink AI, subscribe to this channel if you're not a member, and follow me for new updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.